sure. Oh, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to my first car show in my 2019 Dodge Charger 392 Daytona. It's so nice outside. Happy New Year to everybody. What'd you guys do for New Year? Today's January 1st, 2020, yo. The first day of a decade. You know, it's a whole new decade of 2020, so we're gonna get it started right. New Year's resolutions. What was your guys' New Year's resolutions? What you guys do for your celebration? You know, I just played to chill. I went downtown a little bit. I don't drink no more. I stopped drinking alcohol, but I went downtown, chilled a little bit. Then I came to my friend's house and did a New Year celebration there. But today's video was just gonna go to this car show. My first time bringing the 2019 Dodge Charger 392 Daytona to a car show. It's more like old schools and muscle cars, so hopefully there's a lot of dope cars and variety. And just take a ride out. Right now I'm about to go to my friend's decal shop and get my my stickers he made for me. It's my Instagram name and my YouTube name, so that's gonna be dope. I'm gonna head to the car wash and get my car wash, and I'm gonna head to the car show. So you guys be on the ride with me, and yeah, today enjoy this vlog. It's a nice ass day out today, so I'm gonna enjoy it, and then after that get some rest. So y'all stay tuned. What's up, y'all? We just arrived to my boy's shop, you know, Northside Tint and Audio. It's right here, 521 Indiana Avenue, Unit 8 in Sacramento, California. If you guys ever need your window tint done, your wraps done, you know, decals, dude's dope, yo. Really good folks. I can really vouch for him. You know, he does a lot of things. He does window tint, vinyl wraps, audio and alarms. So he gets down on it, you know. So you know, this is my go-to man when I need my tint, when I need my decals, when I need my wrap. You know, he can do stuff like this with the Daytona. This is old school right here. So there you go, in the making right now. Right there, north side. That's the phone number. Huh? It's in the making. Taz, what you got in there, man? That sound healthy. Huh? That sound good.
Just a small block 350.
Man, that sound nice. What year is it?
It's a 71.
71 Buick? Yeah. Skylark, huh? Yeah, it's coming to, oh, you finna have it right here, huh? This one?
Yeah, just testing it out, see how it feels like.
That's like that penny color, huh?
Yeah. It's the color of rose gold.
That's gonna be dope.
Yeah. Still deciding, you know, I gotta get the tuner done and a couple other things.
So this the homie right here, man. I gets down. If y'all ever need a window tint.
You know where we at?
Yes, sir. I gave him. See, you got the Mustang, you know.
Okay. So the guy wants to know if you have to
Clean Mustang. I think this is wrapped. Yeah, this is for surely wrapped. Oh, it's a Roush too? Whoa. Look at that. That's a Roush. This ain't no ordinary Mustang. Oh, I got them racing seats too. Oh yeah, this Audi's gonna be dope, yo. That's the Audi right there. Damn. Boy, it's nice. This is nice right here. I seen it already with the without the plastic or the bag around it. I came by the other day, but yeah, it's nice. Audis are nice, yo. They drive smooth. I had an Audi S4 before in 2013, and they're really smooth, really comfortable. The handling is dope, but I got rid of that thing. This like the big boy right here. I believe this is supercharged or twin turbo, one of them. All right, y'all, we finna take the 392 Rue. If y'all don't know who Rue is, that's me. So 392 Rue, finna take it out to a car show. First time car show, bringing the Dodge Charger out, boy.
3-inch?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
This was the hard part, y'all. We gotta, cause on this side of the car, the decals is gonna read this way. So, but on the opposite side, it's gonna read the opposite. So, we was just trying to look on this side on how we'll put the decals. So we decided we had to go this way, because you know on the other side it was this way, but if I go this way it's gonna be backwards. So yeah, I guess I gotta go this way. I was thinking about the gas can, but I was like, that's too small, so keep it on the window. And there you go, right there. Shout out to my mans. Y'all ever need work done, come see him. Yes, sir. I appreciate you, man. It looks really nice. Y'all see it? Look at that red, the white with the black, the red.
It was Ruth's imagination.
Yeah, I was like, man, yeah, you put it together though. All right, y'all, I got bad news. The car wash is closed. It's New Year's. I didn't think it was gonna be closed on New Year's. But yeah, both car washes that I live by, they're closed. So I'm gonna just do a quick dust it down, and just try to wipe it down with a microfiber towel and just try to get it, you know, cool, yo. Get ready for this car show. And yeah. Alright, y'all, I just got out, finna film some cars. Bitch just did a little cruising around the park. There's so many cars here, y'all. Crazy. So many Chevys, General Motors. It's so dope. This is just a little bit, yo. Wait till we get back over there. That's nice. Look at this thing. That's like showroom shit. Man. Look at that. Damn, it's nice right there.
Okay, you guys have your
But man, this don't do justice. This camera don't do justice. Got the vet. Ooh, okay, getting hot. Man, boy, stop playing, man. You need to take this to a Raiders game.
Bitch, shut the fuck up. Get the fuck out of here. Yo, Dre. What's up? Give me a funky ass bass line.
Got some bikes. Man, there's all types of shit here. Look at that thing. Haha, that's clean. You got the Tommy gun. What do I do at a Tommy gun?
Right back. Nice. Mellow. And what's the difference in how you ride?
He lifted right here. All that chrome, man. Nice ride, it's you, man. Yeah, it's nice, man. I like that, man. Shiny.
Too bad it's dirty, but
Yeah, it's dope, man. A lot of nice stuff out here, huh?
oh yeah.
Does it go on like every Sunday or just certain days?
No,
I guess there was hella more. I mean, I'm sure all
It just, yeah.
all these things were full of cars.
Man, bro, all these Impalas, this is hella Impalas. Dang, dog. It's clean. Sound healthy too. That sound good. Oh. Bro, these cars are so old. Some of these, I don't even know what they're called. I know a lot of Impalas, Camaros. It's clean too. Dual exhaust. I used to have a Camaro 2015. That looks like a 2015 or a 14. This is crazy right here. Everything done on this car. Brakes, rotors, rims, the whole engine. Heads, headers. Sheesh. Man. Yeah, dude. Dude got knocked out in the bathroom. He did? That drag him out. Look, dude. Everything out here. Alright, y'all, that's it for today's vlog. I really liked it. I actually got tired, yo. There was so many cars. I went to 2 different parks. I didn't film the second park, but I should have. But that first park was way more crowded than the second park that I went to as far as the car show. But yeah, I just got hella tired. Like, I wanted to stay, but that car stuff, just walking around, driving, trying to find parking, and just talking to people, it got hella tiring. Plus, I didn't get enough sleep last night. I fell asleep like at 3 a.m., 4 a.m. because it was New Year's, so yeah, let me know, man, what you guys think of that car show. It was really nice cars all over, old schools, muscle cars, new cars. You know, I got a lot of props for my car. But yeah, overall, it was a good day. It was dope. Had a good time. Enjoyed the day. Met some new people in the car industry, so that's dope. Always just to network and shake hands. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog. Drop comments below. Hit the like button. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's your boy Flex and Rue. All right, peace.